It's important that we pay attention to the purification of the basic needs in our existence. We all deserve the best when it comes to the basics. Clean water, clean air, and food with no lingering pesticides. To build our foundation of health, we must have these basic tools. It's not only having a healthy natural diet, it's a combination of good diet and these tools. The air outside can be 4 times cleaner, and less polluted than in our own homes, but we worry more about outside pollution, and not about the pollution in our own house. Some of the more common sources of indoor air pollution come from pesticides, gases from painted walls and woodwork, furniture, carpets, and the biggest culprit, chemical cleaning products. These substances can stay in the air, and cause a range of health problems. Headaches, allergies, nausea, and sometimes diseases that are a lot worse. So what's the solution to this? Making sure your home is as clean and ventilated as possible, without lingering pesticides. Even homes that are well insulated and energy efficient need ventilation, so that dirty air is replaced with clean fresh air, so talking to an energy specialist is advisable. Here are some easy ideas to improve the air quality in your home to help make it eco-friendly. Avoid furniture made with formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is in the air, some people can experience watery and burning eyes, nose and throat, coughing, wheezing, nausea, and skin irritation. Choose paint with low volatile organic compounds (VOC). Indoor plants can improve the air quality inside your home, as plants convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, and help to clean the air. Keep dust to a minimum. Dust each room from the top down, and do the vacuuming last. Do this once, and then do it again. Once a week do the same procedure and slowly reduce to every 2 weeks. Clean out any air filters and replace them every 6 months. Dirty filters are the main cause of allergies in most homes. A lot of dirt and grime in the home are caused by outside shoes. Get into the habit of removing shoes before you enter the house, you'll then have less dirt and grime to clean up. Make sure you have a quality vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaners suck up dirt, and with the suction, where does the air go? Well, it goes back into your air. Steam clean carpets at least once a year to keep them hygienic, but twice a year would be better. If you need any motivation to do this, see our video on dust mites. Use steam cleaners, or make your own cleaning products instead of buying chemical cleaners. Need rags? Then use old cloths instead of paper towels, as they can be used over and over again, and won't get the paper dust from paper towels. That's it for now. These have been some of the ideas to make your life cleaner in a natural way. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get more helpful natural remedy tips.